You're watching A.E.D Fishing with the A.E.D crew. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What is up, A.E.D crew? Today we're fishing in the T-Dot. That's right. We got the bush casters out. We got the other rods out. We got the bobbers on deck. But right now, at least one of the bush casters isn't looking too good.
The fish was too big. I was reeling her in. The line went. See you later.
Let's see that. That's broken right there. Let's see what type of rod this was, guys.
Shimano Scimitar.
The Shimano Scimitar. Don't get this rod. It breaks. What is that? Don't get this rod. It breaks when you try to reel in the big fish. Tested by E.D himself. You already know he likes to test things hard.
Brought us 80 bones.
80 bucks? More like 80 garbage. But right now we're trying to catch some pikes, bass. We got our lures on deck. You already know, we got the MEPs represent. Bobby's going down. Hopefully we get something. Alright guys, no fish here, but on to the next one. Next spot. There's plenty of water, which means plenty of fish. I think over there by those rocks. Right over there. Maybe up there, there's fish, but we'll see. Got some hot dog. Chum the water. Chum the water, maybe it'll attract the fish. Anyways, it'll smell pretty good. Off we go. Who's getting yours?
GPS.
Bluegill City. Right here, there's massive bluegill. We're going to see if we can catch the monster. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're coming slowly. They like the worm. They see it. He's just there's running a full worm setup on his. Full worm setup.
I don't think this counts as you breaking in the bait caster.
Breaking in the bait caster.
Doesn't count.
We'll see the flex on the bait caster. On the next one. Alright guys, that's it for today's video.
Didn't pay for parking.
Yeah, we didn't pay for parking because you know that's how A.E.D crew does it until we start making that YouTube money. We're not going to make YouTube money unless you guys like and subscribe on this YouTube channel, on the YouTube video. No fish today. The only thing we caught, or E.D caught, was an L breaking his rod. Got multiple L's. It's raining now. And I'm lucky. If you haven't already checked out our previous videos, we caught a monster carp on the master bait we made. There's a tutorial for the master bait. Bushcasters video, that one's a banger. You already know. Lake Ontario is not for A.E.D crew, that's for sure. Next up is a white guy lake. Trying to get that boat online.
Right in front of the op. Right in front of the op. See the op?
I mean, Bunny op. It's for Family Channel. But see you guys next time.